Hey friends, welcome to our channel, and today I'm gonna draw a cute duckling. Let's draw. Don't worry, it's not the duckling. Actually, I'm gonna draw a complete scenery of a duckling. So here's the sun. I begin with the sun. Sun is the source of all power. So I begin with the sun. Can you guess what is this? This is the back of our cute duckling. Uh-oh. Anyway, don't worry, I will fix that. It should be close to a circle. Okay. I will fix that later. And here you go, the ducklings. Little body, and its wing. Wow, beautiful. And its tail. Let's go for the legs. There was a little mistake. Now it's good. Doing another one. It's a big mistake. Let's fix the duckling's head. And now its eyes. Wow. Now I will fix the head again. Okay. Let's draw some grass. It's a great fun. You can make anything, any zigzag you like. Ooh. Okay. Our drawing is completed. Now we will start coloring. Look my colors. Can you guess the name of this color? What is the color of sun? Ooh, it's yellow. And now we will fill the duckling with yellow too, because the duckling's color is yellow. Yellow is a pretty cute color, right? And it looks really cute on duckling and cheek. Just filling all his body with this yellow color. We don't need any other color. Just trying to do it faster. Oh wow, almost done. Just fixing some areas. Wow, now I will arrange his back. Wow, orange back. And his legs also. Orange. Now green for all the grass. just marking all the dangerous area. And now filling the land. Coloring is fun, right? I really enjoy it. Filling these areas. Oh wow, perfect. Now cyan, the sky color. For some clouds. It's done! Again using the same cyan for the duckling's eye. Oh wow! Now it's highlighting time. We will highlight all that pencil marks that we made. It's done!